Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken salad with curd. First, ensure you have about 2 cups of cooked chicken, either shredded or diced. Next, gather your creamy curd, fresh herbs like dill and chives, and crisp vegetables such as celery and red onion. Don't forget your essential seasonings like salt, pepper, and a touch of lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get started with the main components. Take your cooked chicken and shred it or dice it into small, manageable pieces. For the curd, it's best to drain any excess liquid to ensure your salad isn't watery. A simple strainer works wonders. Once prepared, gently combine the chicken and the drained curd in a spacious mixing bowl. This forms the creamy, delicious base for your salad. Next, it's time to add those wonderful textures and flavors. Carefully fold in about 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 2 tablespoons of minced red onion for a delightful crunch. Then, stir in your fresh herbs, like a tablespoon of chopped dill and a teaspoon of chives, along with a refreshing squeeze of lemon juice. Finish by seasoning with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of paprika to taste. For the best flavor, cover your chicken salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows all the delicious ingredients to meld together beautifully. When ready, serve your creamy chicken salad on crisp lettuce wraps, with your favorite crackers, or as a hearty sandwich filling. It's a versatile and satisfying meal. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.